Eyelashes can change the way you look completely. By adding eyelashes, you can upgrade that simple look into a glam one. Having extensions can help our natural eyelashes look fuller, something that even mascara cannot help you achieve. Extensions enhance thickness, fullness, and the length of the lashes. There are all sorts of eyelashes available today, and you can choose human hair, synthetic, silk, or mink. Eyelashes' popularity has been growing each day, and women are looking for a more durable choice that does not have to be applied every single day. You need to ask yourself how far you are willing to go to have those fuller lashes and whether they are really worth it. There are some things that you should know if you want extensions. 1. Types. There are different types of eyelashes available in the market today, as outlined earlier. In general, mink is softer, feather-like and light, and so it looks natural. The only downside is the cost. It is still possible to customize silk and synthetic extensions to save money and achieve a look that is more natural. You can also choose the density, length, and curls. 2. Wearing them. To put the extensions on, you will have to glue them using a semi-permanent glue, one after the other. This is ideally done while the eyes are closed so that the glue does not get into your eyes. Because we all understand how sensitive the eyes are, you need to consider the kind of glue you use. It makes sense to stay away from glues that contain formaldehyde. Also, be careful because the substance can build up during shipping. 3. The process. The whole process of attaching eyelashes has to be painless. If you happen to get any discomfort or a burning sensation, you should stop the process and find out why this is happening. It may be necessary to change the glue because you could be allergic to some of the ingredients. You may also be having an infection. The technician should be in a position to tell you what the problem is and remedy it. 4. Gluing. The extensions are usually glued to the natural lashes, and so they may last for as long as the natural lashes are in place. This means that you will have the extension until the natural one fall. This happens in around 6 to 8 weeks. You can redo the extensions after 4 weeks to have a fresh look. 5. Washing. When you get the eyelashes done, you should try as much as possible not to get them wet for around 12 to 24 hours. This is to avoid the weakening of the adhesive. When the glue used is aimed at those with sensitive eyes, stay away from makeup removers or oil-based products around that area. 6. Mascara. You are free to apply some mascara on the extension tips. This should be done as lightly as possible. Do not use the mascara at the base because it could cause clumping. You should have a qualified technician do the eyelashes so as to avoid doing them damage. If you liked this video, check out these other videos and don't forget to subscribe.